survived the storm of 2016. Where I am in Connecticut wasn't so horrible. I just finished the driveway and I did this walk around because the sun's gonna hit it now and it'll melt it up nice. It's supposed to get into 40s a couple days this week. I left here yesterday around 7 a.m., which would have been Saturday. Wasn't doing anything here, and I worked rounded up about 40 miles south of here. By the time I got there, it was snowing, and it snowed hard all day now. I understand the immediate coastline here in Connecticut got something like 15, 18 inches. It drifted oddly here. There were spots where I had maybe 6, 8. It wasn't horrible. It did snow all day. Sun's out today, so we'll get some melting. It's still chilly. It's probably only 30. Basically, you know, the yard is tucked away for the winter. I do this spot because this is where my oil fill is if I need oil. The guy can get up here, fill my tank. I'm good though, I think. So we're gonna get out today. I had to get out of the house. My neighbor kindly offered, because I have a small snowblower, but it felt good to get out of the house. And that's it, man. We live on a pretty monster hill, so it was slippery coming home yesterday, but it wasn't horrible. Just hunkered down, hoped we didn't lose power, and that was it. So got the car running. Wife's car's in the garage. It's my first time with this GoPro. I picked up a GoPro Session 4. I mounted it to the snowblower. I don't know how good that came out, so we'll check it out. But I hope you all are safe. I really don't mind this kind of weather. It doesn't bother me that much. So talk to you later.